Every part of celery, including the stalks, seeds, and leaves are edible and are rich in nutrients. Celery leaves are often added to soups and stir-fries. Celery seeds present in different forms such as whole seed, ground and extract can give you beneficial health benefits. Crushed celery seeds can be used as aspis. Apiole, an oily compound in celery seeds, contributes to a distinctive flavor and many medicinal uses. Celery is loaded with vitamin B6, calcium, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin A, folate, vitamin K, fiber, and protein. Here are 10 health benefits of celery. 1. Lowers cholesterol level. Eating celery every day may reduce artery-clogging cholesterol, called LDL or bad cholesterol. The phthalides in this herb also stimulate the secretion of bile juices, which work to reduce cholesterol levels. Less cholesterol means less plaque on the artery walls and a general improvement in heart health. The fiber that is found in it also works to scrap the cholesterol out of the bloodstream and eliminate it from the body with regular bowel movements, further boosting cardiovascular health. 2. Detoxifies the body. It acts as an antioxidant, and in truth, all parts of celery, including the seeds, roots, and leaves can be used. Eating this vegetable regularly helps to avoid diseases of the kidney, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. 3. Reduces blood pressure. Celery contains phthalides, which are organic chemical compounds that can lower the level of stress hormones in your blood. This allows your blood vessels to expand, giving your blood more room to move, thereby reducing pressure. It also contains potassium, which is a vasodilator and helps in reducing blood pressure. When blood pressure is reduced, it puts less stress on the entire cardiovascular system and reduces the chances of developing atherosclerosis or suffering from a heart attack or stroke. 4. Prevents urinary tract infections. Celery seeds help in the elimination of uric acid because it is commonly used for its diuretic properties, meaning that it stimulates urination. Therefore, it is good for people with bladder disorders, kidney problems, cystitis, and other similar conditions. The seeds also assist in preventing urinary tract infections in women. 5. Lowers arthritis pain. Celery is great for people suffering from arthritis, rheumatism, and gout. It has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce swelling and pain around the joints. Its sticks also act as a diuretic, which helps remove uric acid crystals that build up around the body's joints that can add to the pain and discomfort. It can also increase the regrowth of tissue in inflamed joints. 6. Reduces asthma symptoms. Vitamin C present in celery prevents free radical damage and also has anti-inflammatory properties that lessen the severity of inflammatory conditions like asthma. 7. Weight loss. Regular drinking of celery juice before meals may help reduce your weight. It is very low in calories and is also filling due to its high fiber content. Therefore, it can help reduce the tendency to overeat and help you keep the weight down without feeling hungry all the time. 8. Controls diabetes. Celery leaves are also eaten for treating various diabetic conditions. This is because of their high fiber content, which has been shown to help manage diabetic symptoms. 9. Relieves migraines. The presence of coumarins in celery can provide relief from migraines. The exact mechanism isn't completely understood, but research points to a suppression of nitric oxide release in the brain, which can cause headaches and migraines. 10. Prevents cancer. Celery contains phthalides, flavonoids, and polyecotones. These cancer-fighting components detoxify carcinogens. It also contains coumarins that enhance the activity of certain white blood cells, which can effectively stave off cancer as well. These antioxidant components seek out free radicals and neutralize them before they can cause conditions such as cancer. Can celery be eaten raw? Yes, celery can be eaten raw. Raw vegetables can be more difficult to digest for some people, so if you experience excess gas or digestive discomfort, try cooking them slightly before consuming. Which part of celery do we eat? The entire celery plant is edible, although most people only eat the stalks. Celery, Harm and contraindications. Before you include in your diet celery, useful properties and contraindications must be carefully examined to unknowingly not cause harm to your body. This vegetable plant may cure of many diseases, and generally have a beneficial effect on health, but no matter how good celery, contraindications to its use is also available. Do not use celery in food if you have 1. Varicose veins and thrombophlebitis. 2. Manifestations of kidney disease and gastrointestinal diseases. 3. Enterocolitis and colitis. 4. Severe form of allergy. 5. Uterine bleeding or heavy menstrual flow. To use a celery as food in any kind is strictly prohibited for women during pregnancy, particularly after the 6th month, as well as during breastfeeding, because celery reduces milk production and gives it a distinctive taste that baby might not like. Word of caution. The seeds of this vegetable contain volatile oils, flavonoids, coumarins and linoleic acid, and are therefore not good for pregnant women because they may cause contractions in the uterus. Other than that, eat as many of those crunchy, green, and healthy stalks as you can.